and mountains seem to flow without end to provide for everyone. Fruits in due season, the flowers and the birds that fly the sky. Majestic Mother Earth, she's so divine, in her perfection, her balance and her design. The breath and the life and the heights of Mother Nature. Mother Nature. Oh, enough for everyone. One love for the earth, come bring it come. Jah bless the earth for I and I. So beautiful, so beautiful. All Jah creation full. It's a love that needs for I and I. So beautiful, so beautiful. All Jah creation full. Sand and seashore, tropical islands, stars bright at night resembling diamonds. Fullness of the Lord thereof, as it is below, well so above. And as the rain will fall, trees rising, ever fertile Mother Earth she keep providing. As the tide go out and the tide come in, she dip on a revolution, access the spring. And feel her fire, red hot volcano, water fire. Spring, summer or winter, creation they are blooming in full splendor. Oh, Mother Earth they are for us to share. Oh, oh, oh. So stop the destruction for the life for yet to come. Jah bless this earth for I and I. So beautiful, so beautiful. All Jah creation full. A blessing is for I and I. So beautiful, so beautiful. All Jah creation full. So I and I plant a seed. I know that it will bring good. Deep in on the black dirt I am. Knowledge and the faith, I know the seed will prosper. For I and I to live. Singing along, and she is never wrong. Look how she comfort and shelter and feed ya, giving her the warmness from the sun. She bring food, breed ya. What a fountain never flowing, never ceasing ya.